Now to our Empty Nest What's Next series and the art of owning your age by doing makeup for the mature face. We are very lucky to have makeup artist and entrepreneur with her own makeup line, Laura Geller, here to show us how to do this. Laura, we are so excited to have you.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
I know we all have a lot of questions about how we should change up our makeup routine as we get older, as our skin changes. And I love this. You have this line. You say you need to meet your skin, or excuse me, I will get this right. You say to meet your skin needs where you are
at that time.
Yeah, and how to do that to, there are tips and tricks that you can make changes to avoid having to go to those nips and tucks.
Yes. Can we avoid it if we can?
Please.
Let's do. So I'm going to show you a couple tips.
Okay.
One of the things that's most important is keeping the skin creamy and malleable so that you're not dry on your face and it doesn't enhance the lines.
And your products help with this so much.
Yeah, they all do. And also, Tracy will already have done makeup on. She's got a creamy foundation on her skin. I always say, go softer. Don't go dry and heavy. So we've already done a creamy foundation, but when it comes to blush, Mary,
talk us through
can I just say, so many women are afraid of blush, and I don't know why.
Well, people get afraid that you're going to look a little clownish or overdo it.
So what do you like that? They're afraid of that, maybe?
Yeah, perhaps that's what you want to avoid.
So this is like a serum blush. I would say a cream blush, a serum type blush. This is like a water gel finish. So it gives the skin this glow and this smoothness to it, and it really matches the condition of the skin, like I said, where we are. You don't want to enhance lines, so stay away from dry powders. This just blends seamlessly into the skin.
And again, cream. Keep hitting that key word. Keep it moisturized.
It could be liquid, but creamy liquids.
Okay, so talk us through the eyes too, because I think there's a lot of how to make them look bigger, brighter.
Eye lift. How about an eye lift before we go for a nip and tuck? Can we just discuss this? Yeah, Tracy's like, give me an eye lift. So I always say this is a highlighter. Highlighters can be very scary. They can look like they have frost in it.
Yeah, you don't want to look too shimmery, right?
Yeah, we don't want to look like a disco ball, okay? I get it. So I'm putting this low glow vanilla colored highlighter just under the brow. It creates a lifting effect. And here's a
It really does.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
Mary, I have a tip. Close your eyes for me, Tracy. If you were to take a highlighter and put it in the center of the lid, okay, just in the center, for all of us women whose lids don't show up anymore, because that happens too, lots of wonderful things happen. Life well lived. You put the vanilla just in the center, and it gives it a pop.
And no disco ball here. None in sight. None in sight.
And then I always come on the inside corner there to give a little bit of light, because the bridge of our nose casts a shadow.
Okay, now let's talk lips, because everyone wants those full, plump lips. Moisturizing also a big deal here. So how do you get that perfect lip plump?
Shine. We did a matte lip, but I always say take the shine after. Can I just say, if you want your lips to look voluminous, and I don't mean a greasy gloss, this is an oil. And actually, it actually has skincare additives in here. So we're also treating her lip and getting rid of the look of dryness as well. You pop on an oil or a shine and your lips look fuller automatically.
I think everyone goes to the gloss, but you're right. I mean, that's just amazing. An oil.
Lip oil.
Okay.
Lip oil. Little bit, just a little bit. Those little tips make all the difference in the world.
Tracy, you look beautiful. Thank you so much for being here, Laura. Thank you always for the amazing tips and tricks there.